I am in Myrtle Beach, home of the Shag. Known worldwide for its dancing, its beaches, its mini golf, and of course, all the things you can do on the ocean, which is boating and sailing and swimming and all that fun stuff.
I'm on my way to meet my newest homebuyer, Jane. I'm really excited to hear her story.
Does she live here currently? Is she from a different state? I have a feeling she's probably from a different state and wants to move down here. Because who doesn't want to live in South Carolina, Myrtle Beach? Hello.
Hi.
How are my cutie pies?
Hi.
Jane and Elaine. We're in Myrtle Beach.
You got it.
Give me some love. Oh, that's good Myrtle Beach love.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, the
Nice
pleasure.
to meet you.
Oh my. Should we go and sit on the ocean?
Oh,
or,
yeah.
near it?
Near it.
So, how did you come into your money? Did you win the lottery, inheritance?
I inherited money from my friend Annie.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it was very sad, but I mean, I have great memories and just loved her to death.
Yeah.
And I know. Thank you. I moved here. The warmer weather is better for me. Renting for a while and hoping that you'll find me a house.
Nice. I am here to help you find the house of your dream.
That'll be awesome.
So tell me about your dream home.
Well, I'm not adverse to a single-family house,
Okay.
but I kind of prefer a townhouse or a condo.
Okay.
Because I'm single and I'd like to have a community around me. I think I'd meet people more.
Right.
At a pool, hopefully a pool too.
Taking notes,
Okay,
community,
good.
pool. How many bedrooms and bathrooms are we looking at?
Bathrooms, just 2 would be fine.
2?
Bedrooms, 2 or 3.
What is your budget?
It's around $250. If everything's done, $270.
Okay. I'm very excited.
I have
for this.
complete faith in you, David.
Good. You're crazy, but good. Give me some love. Come here, Elaine.
There you go.
Do you guys like gravitate towards each other because your name's
We
right?
Jane's friend left behind the best gift in the world, a safe and secure future. I'm thrilled to help her find a dream home. 15 minutes from Myrtle Beach, Turkey Foot Trail is close to the banks of the gorgeous Little River.
Don't you guys look beautiful?
Oh, aren't you
Thank
sweet?
you. You look nice too.
Thank you. So let me tell you a little bit about this townhome.
Okay.
Turkey Foot Trail. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's just got a little over 1,350 square feet.
Okay.
Do you think I came in on budget?
I hope so.
I came in $1 short of your budget at
Really?
$249,999.
Can't do it.
Cool.
Let's go take a look.
Go ahead.
Come on in, ladies.
Wow.
So let's start over here in the living
Pretty.
room. Isn't this great?
Yeah,
Oh,
oh my God,
cute.
that window is awesome.
Look at the vaulted ceilings.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is
fun?
nice.
Yeah.
Well, it gives you the illusion of more room, so that's nice. Yeah.
Look at you, designer. I love that.
Yeah.
All right. Taking you into the dining area and the kitchen. Did I lose you? Okay, there you are.
Oh,
Look at
Oh,
this.
cute.
I love
Really
it.
cute.
Isn't this great?
It
Oh,
is.
yeah.
Here we are for our outside patio.
Oh, how cute.
Oh,
Right?
cute.
How cute is this?
This is cute.
Wow.
Nothing to maintain.
How about
Oh,
that?
take a seat. I love that. Just, she's already feeling at home, ladies
I
and
you
am,
go.
gentlemen.
and I can see the
Should I bring
neighbors
you
a
a
little bit.
drink?
So- I'm thinking a hammock and a grill. I would have fun.
All right. So what could I do tomorrow that's different?
Maybe a place with a little more green.
Right.
You know, that might be nice.
Why not? Do you like walking?
I like walking and I like watching nature.
I do too.
And sometimes I can combine the two.
Yeah, we'll go be
Okay.
nosy.
That sounds good.
Jane wanted a little bit more greenery, so I'm taking her to Willbrook Way. Should we get to this dream house?
Yes.
All right. Willbrook Way has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
It's a large home at 1,610 square feet.
Okay.
It's definitely pushing the top of your budget at $265,000.
How am I going to buy a golf cart, you know, to find Mr. Right?
Let him buy the golf cart for you.
Good plan.
Come on in, ladies.
Ooh, I like this because you don't know where anything is.
Mysteries, right?
Yeah, ooh, and then another staircase. That's cool.
Stairways to heaven.
Yeah.
Should we start with a bang?
Sure.
Let's do the main bedroom suite. All right, come on in.
Oh, very nice. And I like the paint color.
Very
Pink
pretty.
color's really nice.
Kind of neutral.
It's really soothing, very relaxing.
Right, and this is a nice size. That bed's probably king?
It's a king size bed.
Okay, mine's only full, so.
We're going to have to upgrade you to at least a queen for a queen. Go ahead and check out the bathroom, ladies.
Oh my God, it has
Very
a tub
pretty.
and a shower.
Oh, how nice.
Oh,
That is
wow,
nice.
I love the
That's
tile.
very pretty, Jay.
This
Very
is
nice.
amazing.
I mean, look how adorable.
Oh my God, I'm in love with it.
Very nice.
Oh my gosh.
Jade. You see the turtles?
Oh, there, look at the little turtles.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, they're sunning themselves. A different vibe than we saw with Turkey Foot. Here we're absolutely blowing your budget,
Right?
but you see why.
Yeah.
What can I do different for the house for tomorrow?
I would rather stay a little lower,
Okay.
but I do see why this is what it is.
I have a great one for you. Definitely lower than your top budget.
Oh, okay.
So, let's go wander around, maybe hit that trail over there.
That sounds good to
Find
me.
a golfer or two.
Yeah,
Yes.
let's go hit the golf course.
Me too. I like golfers. Don't you guys look great?
Hey,
You look so
hi,
cute
you look
too
so
in
cute.
red.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at those shoes. Oh my gosh.
Do you love the neighborhood?
I do, and the pool's right there. It's so close.
Literally right there.
I know.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Hickory Knob has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms.
Okay.
Has 1,200 square feet, so it's our smallest unit that we're looking at. Want to hear the price?
Yeah.
Well below budget at $220,000.
Oh, perfect.
Let's take a look-see, shall we?
Great.
Oh, this is
I like
nice.
Right?
Ooh.
Take a pic. Oh, look, she's just going for it.
Oh,
Beautiful.
nice.
Isn't this lovely?
Yes, I like it.
So we're seeing our first peninsula. Very open. This is our true open floor plan, which we have not had.
Right.
Excellent
Wow.
condition. It looks like it's brand new.
Wow.
It is
Very-
brand new, so the kitchen has all been
Oh,
redone.
nice.
The outdoor patio is surrounded by relaxing greenery.
Come on, ladies. We have a lovely little outdoor space here.
I love it.
Very
Very
private.
Oh my
nice.
gosh, look at
Oh,
this.
nice.
Oh, look at the trees.
Isn't it
Holy
adorable?
cow.
The greenery is remarkable.
So do you like the space?
I do. I
Good.
love it. I really do. There's
Very
something really cute about this place.
It really is.
You showed me some really good places.
Good.
I think,
Good.
yeah.
You have some hard decisions.
Let me just think for a little bit and
Take as much time as you need. I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna eat from
Oh,
fried
nice.
foods, do some mini golf, and eat some more ice cream. Because it's
I
delicious.
hear you. That's
Very
what we do down
Should we
here.
go check out that pool?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do that. So, where are we going?
I decided on Hickory Knob.
You know what? It doesn't surprise me.
It's just gorgeous. I mean, I just love that the pool is so close.
This one felt like a community.
Yes.
The tall tree. It was really nice.
It's always better to be below your budget than over your budget. You know, you don't know what tomorrow holds for anybody, so.
Very
you know.
true. I wanted a little security, so
Yeah, you got to consider all the elements in your life.
yeah. I think I'm going to be very happy, and I thank you so much because you were awesome. I made you a little gift as a thank you.
Ooh.
Do.
Thank you.
You're
Do you want me to
welcome.
open it?
Yeah.
That's so cute. Who doesn't love themselves of a coaster?
That's right.
That is really sweet. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank
You're
you guys.
welcome.
Give me some hugs. We'll hang out for a little bit. I'll call the realtor.
I ended up with Hickory Knob because the development was nice, the buildings close together where I could meet people, and the pool is really close, not a car ride, just a walk. And I just love it, so it works. I adjusted to living in South Carolina really well.
Here's to David. Congratulations, Jane.
Thank you. I made friends with my very next door neighbor right off the bat. We both moved in at the same time. And we've been best buddies, and I met people in the neighborhood.
Here's our friend.
Oh, I have a little group now, and I love it. I absolutely love it.